As we gaze upon the vast expanse of the cosmos, one stellar enigma captivates our attention: Betelgeuse, the iconic red supergiant. But amidst its recent dimming, one burning question remains: has the countdown to the Betelgeuse Supernova begun? Welcome to Revel Discovery, your portal to a world of fascinating discoveries and awe-inspiring insights that will expand your understanding of the universe and beyond. Did you know that every day, approximately 275 million stars are born? It's mind-boggling to contemplate the sheer magnitude of this cosmic phenomenon. With each new star, entirely planetary systems and civilizations come into existence, accompanied by a radiant display of light. And that's not all. Every day, an equal number of stars reach the end of their journey, going through what can only be described as a life cycle. It's akin to the life cycles of living beings, except that the time frame of a star's life cycle far surpasses that of any individual life form. This fact alone is something for which we should be immensely grateful. Our Sun, our very own celestial companion, currently resides in its prime time as a main sequence star, radiating an immense amount of heat and energy. It's a remarkable period when it is at the peak of its existence, illuminating our solar system and providing the necessary conditions for life to flourish on Earth. However, this stage is not eternal. In approximately 5 billion years, our Sun will undergo a remarkable transformation as it enters its red giant phase. During this phase, our Sun will begin to expand, eventually floating to a size around 200 times larger and 2,000 times brighter than its current state. Can you imagine the awe-inspiring sight it will become? But that's not the end of the story. After its magnificent transformation into a red giant, our Sun will continue to evolve. Another 2.5 billion years later, it will likely reach a critical point where it engulfs Earth, a devastating but inevitable event. Yes, our Sun is about 7 to 8 billion years left before it sputters out and reaches its end. It's an inconceivable span of time, and in all likelihood, humanity will have faced its own challenges and changes long before the Sun completes its cosmic journey. Who knows? By then, perhaps we will have evolved into a Type 3 civilization, no longer dependent on the Sun for our existence. Now, while our Sun may have several billion years left on its celestial clock, there's another star in our galaxy that has captivated the attention of astronomers and stargazers alike. It goes by the name Betelgeuse and is one of the most famous members of the Orion constellation. Betelgeuse, a bright red supergiant star, is nearing the end of its life. Scientists predict that it will undergo a dramatic explosion known as a supernova. If and when this happens, Betelgeuse will become so luminous that it will be visible during the daytime for several weeks, a celestial spectacle that humanity has not witnessed in our galaxy since the 17th century. The intriguing question arises: is Betelgeuse's recent dimming a sign that it is about to explode? Being relatively close to our planet, the resulting supernova will be a breathtakingly radiant event, captivating the gaze of sky watchers worldwide. The anticipation and excitement among astronomers are palpable, as they eagerly await this rare opportunity to study the physical conditions and atmospheric changes in the star leading up to its grand finale. In 2020, Betelgeuse astonished astronomers with an unexpected eruption that ejected an enormous portion of its surface mass. It was a moment of cosmic fireworks, an event unlike anything witnessed before. Even NASA, an organization well-versed in celestial phenomena, shared the sentiment of awe and amazement. This eruption surpassed the strength of typical solar flares, which are relatively common. Our Sun, too, occasionally exhibits its own tantrums, emitting strong solar flares that can have significant effects on Earth. As we move closer to the solar maximum, a period characterized by frequent and potentially catastrophic solar flares, understanding these eruptions becomes increasingly vital. The eruption observed in Betelgeuse was an order of magnitude larger than an ordinary solar flare from our Sun, about 400 billion times more massive. This unprecedented event has left scientists pondering the underlying mechanisms and seeking a deeper comprehension of what transpires within the heart of such colossal stars. While the dimming and eruption of Betelgeuse remain enigmatic, we know that red giants consume their fuel at an accelerated pace compared to yellow dwarfs like our Sun. However, The sudden and perplexing dimming of Betelgeuse has baffled astronomers worldwide. They are hard at work, striving to unravel the mystery surrounding this stellar enigma. However, it will take time, and definitive answers may not be forthcoming for quite a while. In the meantime, astronomers continue to explore and study other red supergiant stars, seeking clues and insights into their life cycles and potential supernova events. Two notable stars worth investigating are Antares in the Scorpius constellation, located approximately 555 light-years away, and Aldebaran in the Taurus constellation, situated about 65 light-years from Earth. These stars offer fascinating avenues for research, opening windows into the extraordinary lives of celestial giants. However, as we ponder the wonders of the cosmos and the mysteries of stars, we must not overlook the remarkable advancements in our exploration of space. The James Webb Space Telescope, a revolutionary instrument of observation, has provided us with breathtaking images and unveiled previously unseen aspects of the universe. This extraordinary telescope, operated by NASA, scans the skies, revealing the secrets and majesty of the cosmos. Independent researchers, too, utilize the James Webb Space Telescope to embark on scientific endeavors, unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Recently, a research image released by these researchers showcased a region teeming with star formation. The image captured a galaxy known as NGC 1365, or the Great Barred Spiral Galaxy, situated approximately 60 million light-years from Earth. It boasts one of the highest rates of star formation ever observed, truly a sight to behold. While NGC 1365's image has captivated the scientific community, there is an air of anticipation for the James Webb Space Telescope to focus its gaze on other captivating astronomical objects. One eagerly anticipated target is the TRAPPIST system, with its potential habitable exoplanets and the tantalizing possibility of liquid water or even artificial lights dotting the landscape. And let us not forget the grand Andromeda Galaxy, the majestic spiral neighbor to our Milky Way. The day the James Webb Space Telescope turns its eyes towards these celestial wonders will mark a momentous occasion, potentially altering our understanding of the universe forever. In this vast tapestry of stars and galaxies, we stand in awe, humbled by the magnitude and complexity of the cosmos. We yearn to uncover the truths hidden within the depths of the universe, to discern whether we are truly alone or whether life teems abundantly beyond our home planet. With each new discovery and each step forward, we inch closer to unraveling the enigmatic nature of existence itself. So let us continue to gaze at the heavens, to study the stars and the galaxies, and to embrace the wonders that lie beyond our blue planet. For in that exploration, we find not only knowledge but also a sense of connection and purpose, a reminder that we are but a small part of an extraordinary universe waiting to be discovered. So dear viewers, as we contemplate the celestial mysteries and the impending fate of Betelgeuse, we ask you, are we on the verge of witnessing the awe-inspiring spectacle of a supernova, or will the star continue to surprise us with its cosmic dance? Engage with us by leaving a comment, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell for regular updates. Keep watching, stay inspired, and get ready for more exciting discoveries. See you in our next episode.